Have you ever wondered why some men seem to exude vitality and vigor well into their later years, while others seem to lose their spark too soon? The secret may lie in the daily habits they adopt. Welcome to a journey that explores the power of habits and their impact on men's health and well-being. Today, we'll delve into practical, easy-to-implement tips that can help improve your health and potentially add years to your life. First on our list is the habit of regular exercise. Now, this doesn't mean you need to train like an Olympian. Simple activities like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling for 30 minutes a day can work wonders for your cardiovascular health. Exercise also helps to maintain a healthy body weight, boost mood, and improve sleep quality. Next, let's not forget the importance of a balanced diet. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals provides your body with the necessary nutrients it needs to function optimally. And while we're on the subject of food, remember to keep your portion sizes in check. Overeating can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Now, let's talk about sleep. Skimping on sleep is a no-go. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. A good night's sleep helps your body to recharge, improves your mood, and boosts your immune system. Hydration is another key factor in maintaining good health. Make it a habit to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Staying hydrated helps to maintain the balance of body fluids, aids in digestion, and keeps your skin looking healthy. Moving on, let's discuss the habit of regular health checkups. Prevention is better than cure, and regular checkups can help detect any potential health issues early. This allows for prompt treatment and better outcomes. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the habit of maintaining a positive mindset. Stress can take a toll on your health. Find ways to manage stress, whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few minutes each day to relax and unwind. Remember, adopting healthy habits doesn't have to be a daunting task. Start small and gradually incorporate these habits into your daily routine. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your health and well-being. So why wait? The power to improve your health is in your hands. Start implementing these healthy habits today and reap the benefits for years to come. Your future self will thank you for it.